So hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a simple amplifier circuit with some very easily available components, and you can say this is an experiment. So without any delay, let's start the video. For making this I am using some components which are a breadboard, LM386L IC, a 100K pot, 470 microfarad 16-volt capacitor, 473J capacitor, a jack, a speaker, and a 4-volt rechargeable battery. So I am going to make the circuit. So this is ML386 IC, and this is pin number 1, this is pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 7, pin number 8. I am taking jumper wire, connect pin number 2 and pin number 4. Connect this capacitor, pin number 1 and pin number 8. Now connect the capacitor's positive terminal to pin number 4. Now I am taking the 100K pot and connect this middle point to the pin number 3. And connect the blue wire to the pin number 4. And now I am connecting the positive wire of the jack to this red wire of the 100K pot. And connect the negative wire of the jack to the breadboard. Now connect 4 and the negative wire of the jack. Now I am taking the speaker wire and connect to the pin number 4 and the negative terminal of the capacitor. Now connect the positive of the battery to the pin number 5. And connect the negative of the battery to the negative point of the jack. Now this is time to test our circuit. Let's start. So the circuit is working perfectly. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.